For the third year in a row, Nicholls State was listed as a military and veteran-friendly school. In an effort to keep this listing, the university recently opened its new Veterans Lounge in Shaver Gym.
This office here opened up in August. We got a Veterans Lounge, and in the Veterans Lounge, veterans show up, they meet each other, they become friends, they find out some of them have the same classes, so they start mingling and start studying.
The lounge also provides a meeting place for the Nicholls Veteran Club, the NSVO. Inside the lounge is the office of the veteran coordinator, Gilberto Burbante.
Originally, I wanted to hire a veteran to take this position, and I meet those qualifications. I was in the Marine Corps. I did 3 tours of Iraq, 2003, 2004, and 2005. I got out in 2006, and that's, I think, the main reason they hired me, because they understand that a lot of guys are coming back from Afghanistan now with issues that we all face, and I make that transition in the process a lot easier for them.
Although they earned every penny of their GI Bill, actually getting paid from the VA is a little difficult for most veterans.
Dealing with the VA on my level is making sure that they understand that these students are coming to Nicholls and have 12 hours full time, getting their benefits. If there's any paper holdup, it's not on our end, it's on the VA's end, which they're just extremely undermanned.
At the Veterans Lounge for NTW News, I'm AJ Barlow.